How to fix a document feeder jam in the HP Laser MFP 130 and Color MFP 170 printer series. Fix jams in the document feeder when the printer control panel displays a document jam error message. Check the document feeder for jammed paper. Remove all paper from the document feeder input tray and then lift the document feeder cover. Remove any paper found in the document feeder. Close the document feeder cover. Raise the document feeder input tray and remove any paper in the output tray area. Lower the tray. Lift the scanner lid and then remove any visible paper. Close the scanner lid. Load the original document back into the document feeder and try to scan again. If the error persists, continue to the next step. Reset the printer to clear a false document jam error message. With the printer powered on, go to the rear and disconnect the power cord. Wait at least 60 seconds and then reconnect the power cord. The printer turns on automatically. Wait until the printer is idle and silent. Load the original document back into the document feeder and try to scan again. If the issue continues, service the printer. Contact HP for service and warranty options.